Due to how the images were collected by Dr. Krauss, it was suspected that the year attribute may not be necessary for our classification. But to be sure, we created a jitter plot of car models across the years 1990 to 2012. In this simple Shiny app, you can take a look at how models from different makes are distributed across the years. While there are exceptions, it's obvious that most models have only one model year. For an example, for Audis, the S4 had multiple car model years, but all other car models only had one model year. This tends to be consistent with what we see in Chevy as well. As you can see, all models have one model year associated with them. And we can further take a look at Ferraris, Mercedes, and this is despite models such as Toyota Camrys that produces annual new cars that look different across the years as well. Therefore, this suggests that the year attribute could be dropped from our dataset.